Oh boy. Hey y'all. Thank y'all for clicking so much on this video. But I'm coming to y'all today with something that I'm eating. I'm eating some lo mein noodles and an egg, and I took the yolk out. But y'all know I've been on this no food, no, not no food. Listen to me. I've been on this no meat except for fish for quite some time, y'all. And I'm starting to crave chicken. I'm craving it, y'all. I haven't eaten any meat since March. I haven't had any pork, any beef, or any chicken since March, and my body is craving it, y'all. It's craving it. It's craving it. Like I have had to have a hard talk with my body, and I'm doing this because I, you know, of my situation with my cholesterol and other things that's going on with me, y'all. But it's hard, y'all. It's hard. I was real close the other day getting me a piece of chicken. It's hard, y'all. But I'm going to do what I got to do because my health is so much more important than eating a piece of chicken. Okay, now since I got that away, so I'm getting ready to eat me some lo mein noodles. And these noodles are delicious. Got some carrots in there, you know. But that's all I wanted to say. Thank y'all so very much for watching this video. And y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.